Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. Today we're opening up panty subscriptions. We have 3 to open, but 2 different companies. So we have Splendies, and then I have 2 packages from Heaven Panty here today. So we're gonna go through all of these. You guys can let me know which one you like better at the end. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. All of these will be linked down below. They are kindly sent to me free for review, but not sponsored, and I don't have any affiliate links for these, but you do get discounts automatically on both of these when you subscribe. So let's start with Splendies. Splendies is $16.99 per month. You get 3 panties. They do give you your first month for like $5 or 5 something. So a big discount your first month. And it is slightly customizable. You get to choose the style. So I get a surprise variety, but you can choose to get all thongs or all regular underwear, all brief underwear, whatever you want to call it. They have a wide size range. Both of these do. Heaven Panty actually just expanded theirs. But for Splendies, it goes from like small to 4X. So yeah, they're always cute. I wonder if we're gonna have some Christmas type themes this month. I'm super excited. I liked the Halloween themes we had recently. So yeah, let's get this open and see what we got. I've been getting Splendies forever. I really do like their panties. I'm thinking, no, I don't have a Splendies on right now. Is that TMI? I don't really believe in TMI. I have like, I haven't had this subscription in forever, but like an Adore Me, like I used to get that years and years and years ago. They had like sets, but anyways, comes cutely wrapped and kind of does look Christmassy. Maybe it will be Christmas. I have like a notification. My bad. I tried to get a notification away. I guess I forgot to put my phone on Do Not Disturb, which I will do on my watch right now. And I shut that off. I'm so rude of me. I don't know if you guys will really even be able to tell, but let's see what we got. It is Christmas themed. Oh, I'm such a dork. Oh my god, there's penguins on one. I'm so excited. Okay. Oh, we'll end with the penguins. The first one, this is like little mistletoe on it or something, but the first one is a thong. Look at how pretty these colors are. And it has like little berry, like, I don't know, I was gonna say juniper berries. I have no idea, but it definitely does have a winter feel to it with those plants on it. And I love the colors. Oh my god, this is so cute. It's like, is this rayon or cotton? Let's see. Rayon. Yeah, I was gonna say it feels so soft. It has this rayon material, but then you have like the lace on top. They always have a cotton gusset, by the way, for those wondering. This is so cute. I love it. And then the next 2 are full back or brief panties. So this is pretty Christmassy too. The red and black plaids. They bought this red and black when I was in Catholic school. It's so cute though. I like the red and black together and the little bows and the lace trim. I think this is really cute. Is this cotton then? I think so. Yep, this is cotton. So cute. But like, come on, how cute is this? This is definitely nylon. Look at these little little penguins. Oh my god. They're so cute. What are they doing? They're like just living their best life. I thought it was like a skateboard. Yeah, they're skating. Okay, there is some skates in there. How cute is this? Little penguin panties. So very festive. I think these are always fun to get. Everyday type panties. Super cute, super comfy. A lot of people say to size up, but of course look at their sizing guide. I think I do kind of size up. I get a size large for reference, even though you guys don't really see my booty on the camera. But yeah, love it. So now let's move on to Heaven Panty. And again, I have 2 here. So I wonder if one's November, one's December. I don't know. I don't know what one's what. Do they have dates on them? One says 11. Okay, one says 10/31 and one says 11/29. So yeah, we'll open this one first, even though it doesn't really matter. But so for Heaven Panty, you get to choose the amount of panties you get and the frequency. So you can get 1 or 2 a month or every other month, which is cool. And they have a profile too. It's a little bit more detailed than the Splendies one. You let them know like what type of fabrics you, or I don't know about fabrics, but like what type of patterns you like, or if you don't like patterns, what colors you like, what style you like. They ask you about your size at other retailers, so they really like try and make sure the sizes perfect for you. And yeah, like I mentioned before, they did recently expand their size. So they are more size inclusive. They send you measuring tape your first month, so they really want to make sure it fits your body. And also they make sure like they have a return policy if it doesn't fit your style as well, or exchange policy. I love the bags they come in. You get a little peek. So these are boy shorts. Ooh, I don't have many boy shorts. And it is in black. Okay, let's see. They're still very girly. I always wonder why they're called that. But okay, oh my god, the backs look really cool. So I always throw these on the ground for Emmy to play with. And I'll throw one in. She's just staring at me, so she needs something else to do. I guess I'm just fun to look at. I'm in a goofy mood. These are cute. But the back is really cool. It has like this right here. Like they have pretty unique styles. And I think Heaven Panty is more if you want like sexy comfy panties, because they are comfy, I think. And they are definitely more on the sexier side. Every once in a while you get like a sexy lacy thing in Splendies, but it's more like every day, at least in my opinion. This is all my opinion. But I think if you're like looking for like more sexy kind of like, isn't this but cute, but also fun and also sexy and unique? I didn't tell you guys the pricing. So for Heaven Panty, it's $9.99 for one. Or $16.99 if you want to get 2 pairs. And they say your first month is free automatically, so check that out if you guys are interested. But let's look at the final one here. So the December panty. Ooh, I think it's a green color. Tangas. Yeah, it says green. Tangas. I don't know if it... Oh my god, this is so unique. I don't have anything like this. Look how shiny it is. And like, oh my god, and the back is sheer. This is fun. Oh my god, I'm getting excited. This is super cool. Look how it has these straps on top. It's like this satiny, like silky front. And on the back, it's sheer with polka dots. This is such a cool color. And by the way, both of these brands have websites, like, or obviously they have websites, but they also have shops like outside of subscriptions if you want to. So like these are like $15, but you can get it for like 10, you know, when you subscribe. How cute is this? These are such unique, fun panties. I love how they have like this detail to it too. This is like so silky. Oh my god, I love this so much. I love everything I got. What a fun day. I've got 5 new panties and I love all of them for like different reasons. Like these are so like fun and kind of sexy, you know? And then I get to wear like penguins or like Christmas time. Yes, I love them all. What panty was your favorite? And if you guys get any of these subscriptions, are we panty twins? Love to hear from you. I would love to know your favorite. Oh my god, I don't know. This one's super cool. I mean, the penguin one might have made me the most excited because it's just cute. I think this is cool. I don't know. I like them all. I would love to know your opinion down below. Thank you guys in advance, and thank you so much for being here. If you haven't already, please subscribe, like this video, leave a comment, and please do something special for yourself today. You deserve it. I love you, and I hope to see you in the next video. Bye.